To use the Credit.com Score Simulator, start by visiting the Credit.com website and navigating to the Score Simulator tool. This tool is designed to help you understand how different financial actions may impact your credit score. Begin by entering your current credit score, which can be obtained from the website if you have an account or from a credit report. The simulator will then ask for your current credit utilization ratio, which is the amount of credit being used compared to the amount available. Next, you will be presented with various scenarios that can affect your credit score, such as applying for a new credit card, paying off debt, or missing a payment. Choose a scenario to see how it may impact your credit score. The simulator will then calculate the potential impact on your credit score based on the scenario you selected. You can try multiple scenarios to see how different actions may affect your credit score. For example, if you choose to apply for a new credit card, the simulator may show that your credit score could decrease by a few points due to the new inquiry on your credit report. On the other hand, if you choose to pay off debt, the simulator may show that your credit score could increase due to the reduction in credit utilization. Best practices for using the score simulator include trying out different scenarios to see how they may impact your credit score, and using the results to inform your financial decisions. It is also important to keep in mind that the simulator is just a tool and actual results may vary. By using the Credit.com Score Simulator, you can gain a better understanding of how your financial actions may impact your credit score, and make more informed decisions to achieve your financial goals. Remember to always monitor your credit report and score regularly to stay on top of your financial health. The Credit.com Score Simulator is a valuable tool for anyone looking to improve their credit score, or simply understand how credit works. By following these steps and using the simulator effectively, you can take control of your financial future and make progress towards your goals.